Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Today, going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm looking forward to doing for the first time. I have some beautiful strawberries here. You can just see those. Let's get just a little bit over here. Yeah, just spin it around a little bit. There we go. Nice punnet of strawberries there. Need to find my knife that I've just had. Won't be a minute, folks. Yep, what I'm going to be doing with these is, if you can see that, get level. Yep, we are. You see there, see the seeds there. Going to be removing the seeds onto the sheet of paper and then leaving them to dry. So you don't have to be too precise, just as long as you get some of the skin off, like so. Get that there, get the green stem off the top. One I will say tomato, one strawberry is plenty. Get the seeds off here. Yeah, I said it doesn't matter if you get a little bit too much, a little bit of strawberry skin with it, not the end of the world. It'll soon dry on this piece of paper overnight. Oops, I've lost them. You can pick them out one at a time with some tiny tweezers. There you go. See, like so. Get the end of one at a time. It's hard work. Well worth it though. I'm just looking forward to it. There we go. Put that on there. And once that's dry, I can just pick each one of those out separately. So, there we go. These will dry overnight. Look, there's the ones that are left over. Yeah, I've not grown strawberries from seed before, and I certainly haven't done it this way before. But I'm looking forward to the results. Really looking forward to the results. These strawberries, I forget the name of them now. I'm not sure they're a variety, but I know they taste absolutely fantastic. I don't know if they're going to come true from seed. A lot of flowers don't come true from seed. See, the green ones, you want them. You want the seeds that are no more on that one. A dark colour. These all seem pretty. See, that one's gone rotten. This one there, they're nice and dark. You can tell when they're ready, strawberry seeds, because they raise up. I don't know if you can just see that. They raise up from the skin, so they're actually easier to take off. The ones that are ripe. See them? Just getting pricked out like so. They're the ones that have got the best chance of germinating. Like I said, you don't need to do many of these. Some people say they need stratification, which means putting them somewhere cold for 3 or 4 weeks. Like put them in a sealed polythene bag with some sand for like 3 or 4 weeks, just so they think they've been over a winter period. But I am just going to try to sow these without stratifying them. Hopefully it will be okay. But you can see there, look at those, they're just ready to pop off. Yeah, the green ones want to leave because they're going to stand less chance of germinating. To my finger like so, onto the paper. Yeah, so I'll leave these overnight and then we'll sow these tomorrow. Just a normal peat-based compost. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, this is just an experiment, so I've not done this before, so fingers crossed that we get some good germination. As long as I get 5 or 6, I'll be happy. And then I'm going to put them in baskets, keep them well off the ground, nice raised baskets, keep them away from slugs and snails, puppy dog tails. Some of them are a bit too green, but we'll see. Right, So that's all those done. All those can go in the compost bin. Let's have a look, shall we? See there. Turn the flash off, see if that helps a little bit. There we go. See them all there, nice clump of seeds there, with 5 or 6 there. They all dry nicely. By tomorrow, we should be able to sow them then. So yeah, if you've got any questions that hesitate to ask, folks, if you like me YouTube videos, please subscribe and like. If you're on Facebook, please follow. Really appreciate it. So yeah, like I said, we'll leave these overnight to dry. Even if the ones with a little bit of skin aren't dry, the ones on their own will be dry. So then we can sow them tomorrow. In some, I'll be using some peat-based compost. Well, with Monkey. That's right, Paul. See, I had the heater on today. It's still 10 degrees, which is pretty good. So yeah, we'll be sowing them in some peat-based compost. And hopefully over the next 2, 3, 4 weeks, we might have some little baby strawberry plants. If I don't get... Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say good morning. Good afternoon, Monkey. Good afternoon, Monkey. How are you, mate? You been alright? Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Same here, pal. Today, we're going to be potting these free strawberry seeds that I collected from some strawberries that I ordered from my shopping last week. I had a few left over. You can see they were pricked out like so. So they're dry now, they've been in there overnight. We're even going to chuck some of this peel, some of the outer skin that's got a few seeds on. Just going to bury that, see how that works, but I've also got some seeds there, don't you see them. So first of all, I need to fill it with compost first. So, need to do, get it, probably leave about a centimetre gap at the top. There's going to be a lid on this, so this is already moist compost. And I'm just going to give it a quick douse over. I'm not going to pat it down too tightly, because I'm just going to sprinkle these on top, then water them in. Yeah, that's fine. So, get the camera set up if we can, folks. Everybody's keeping alright, keeping well. Me and Monkey are fine, thank you for asking. And Monkey wants a date. He wants to know if anybody's got a female monkey that's not doing anything this weekend. Isn't that right, Monkey? That's right, Paul. Alright. So these, like I said, these have been taken off my strawberries yesterday. All I'm going to do with them is give them a tap. Try and get them as spread out as I can. And then this, as you can see them there. Then this is still wet, but I am just going to wing it. Somebody said about just using the peel, so that's what we'll try and do. If it rots, it rots, which I think it might do, but we'll see. I know the other seeds should germinate fine. Put the top down, get rid of that. It's a peat-based compost. This has got a little bit of feed in it. Oh, nearly fell over there. It's got a little bit of feed in it. All I'll do now is just give it a quick water, like so. These can take 2 to 3 weeks to germinate. It can take a little bit longer sometimes. All I'll do with that then is, once it's been watered, place the lid on like so, and then we shall. Right, so we're over here now. I've just placed them in here. These are half trays, so that's just the end of the heat mat there. So we'll be getting some heat there. So yeah, I'll leave them in there under my LED lights. I'll keep checking them every few days. If there is any rot, I shall remove the peel. But hopefully we should have some really beautiful strawberry plants in the next few weeks, and hopefully get some fresh strawberries by the end of this year. Hopefully by August, September, fingers crossed. So yeah, that's how to collect your strawberry seeds for free, and how to grow your free strawberry plants. If you've got any questions at take class, folks, if you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.